going on, everybody? We're back. It's Tuesday. No, it's not. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Hope you're having a good day. I'm going to take my differential out today so we can get that shit welded, and then we can start going drifting. Diff's draining right now. Alright, so after we drained it, just plug these back in and then move over to the drive shaft bolts. I already took out one and I just gotta do the rest of them. Alright, so we got all the bolts out, so the next thing we're gonna do is just grab the drive shaft and then just push, and then it comes down just like that. Just let it hang for a second. Alright, after you get the drive shaft out, you just hit these bolts out. They're 12 millimeter, and then once you get these out, the axle just pops right out. So once you get all 6 of these bolts out, it's the same thing as the drive shaft. You just pull on it and it pops out. So that was kind of hard to take off, but I just popped it over here on this side closer to the front, and then I'm just letting it rest on the control arm right now. Then we'll go do the other side, and then we'll probably start on the next step. All right, we're under the diff right now. Got the passenger side out, got the driver's side out. Now we're gonna be working on, let me get over there, these 4 right here, these 4 nets, and also these 2 bolts right here. And then it's those, and it drops right out. Just get your ratchet on there, and just double hander, and they come off no problem. All right, this is where we get our jack under here and just make contact with the diff. We're not trying to raise the car here, just a little bit, just enough to, you know, give her the beans. All right, almost blew my colon out trying to get that one loose. All right, I got all the bolts out. Everything is good. Now I'm gonna have to somehow magically push this diff forward, clear the sway bar, and bring her out. Here we go. All right. That's nice. Okay. Whose fucking idea was it to put these axles here? God damn it. Damn, that's fucking heavy. Alright, mission success / mission failed. Supposed to come out with the jack, but it ended up just landing on me. Fell off the jack. Next time I'm removing that sway bar because it's so much harder, and I'd get that exhaust out of the way if I was you. Those two, and it's just so much easier. You don't have to deal with finessing it out. You can just take it out. So let me get this thing out now. Alright, okay, so I got the diff out, and that's it. There's the diff. I'm calling it. We'll do another video about getting welded and putting it back in, but for now that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.